More than a year has passed since COVID-19 pandemic interrupted the teaching and learning process. Bella, who is a grade 3 pupil living in a coastal barangay, is one of those who wish to go back to school and attend face-to-face classes. She hopes to see the faces of her teachers, play with her friends, and learn new things with her classmates. It is every child's dream that things will go back to normal. But, for everybody's safety, Bella and her friends will remain at home for the upcoming school year. Though not in school, they will still learn their lessons through blended learning. Amidst the health crisis we face, the delivery of quality basic education never stops.
Welcome to Puerto Princesa Elementary School! Handa na kami!
Puerto Princesa Elementary School is a coastal school in the district of Rizal 1, division of Dinagat Islands. For the next school year, the school will become the second home of 209 learners who will be taken care of by 10 dedicated teachers, led by their school head, Mrs. Jella C. Soyman. The school is a recipient of various awards such as 5th place, 2015 National Search for Sustainable and Eco-Friendly School, 2019 Brigada Eskwela Regional Finalist, 1st place, Nestle Philippines Regional Level, 1st place in Meralco Leadership Award, and Gawad Kalasag Awardee. The school is situated in Barangay Puerto Princesa, Municipality of Basilisa, Province of Dinagat Islands.
Ang paaralan ng Puerto Princesa Elementary School ay handang-handa na para sa pasukan ngayong taon.
The following are the safety protocols strictly implemented by the school during the distribution and retrieval of learning modules and learning activity sheets. Checking of body temperature, washing and sanitizing of hands, and observance of social distancing. The school is complete with thermal scanners, hand sanitizers, and every classroom has its own hand washing facility.
Presyo ng barangay, isang malaking bagay na ang kaming mga barangay official ang siyang tutugon sa mga kailanganin ng paaralan, especially the opening of the classes.
The Barangay Local Government Unit actively participated in the conduct of Brigada Eskwela. It also donated essential items such as face masks, face shields, hand sanitizers, and reams of bond papers.
Puerto Princesa Elementary School ay talagang handang-handa na 101%. Meron po kaming intervention na alam namin na talagang ito ang naaayon para sa panahon natin.
The school is proud to have zero non-readers thanks to the implementation of its different initiatives. One of which is the Project School, or Shelter for Children on Off-Site Learning. It aims to address incapacities at home through the provision of ideal learning environment. It generally provides learners' needs such as instructional materials and facilities that would help children find ease and enjoyment during their study time. Project School brings the idea of the different home learning dimensions that definitely provides learners their basic needs and let them feel that their homes are a place for learning by turning them into ideal class homes. Another initiative accomplished by the school is the Project TRAP, or Team for Reading and Academic for Pupils' Progress. It ensures, guides, and tracks the learning development of every pupil. Those with television sets at home are also encouraged to tune in to eTulay, a free online tutorial platform launched by the Department of Education. Those with mobile phones and other devices were given by the school's division office USB On The Go, which contains different learning materials that are accessible offline. These projects were evaluated by the Curriculum Implementation Division personnel and were found to be effective and will continue to be implemented for this school year. To make sure that every school is ready for the Balik Eskwela 2021, The school's Division Office of Dinagat Islands constantly monitors the implementation of its basic education learning continuity plan and gives needed technical and other forms of assistance to school heads and teachers.
Kami sa Puerto Princesa Elementary School ay handa na